Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to do a crab cake hash browns. You heard it here first. So let's go down here and see what we got going. This is going to be a quick video. 1 can, which is 1 pound of crab meat from Chicken of the Sea. We're going to add 1 cup of hash browns. What I did, I didn't have the hash browns, so I just took some tater tots and put them in a blender, chopped them up a little bit. But yeah, you can use regular hash browns for this. What else we got on there? We got 1 beaten egg,
2 tablespoons mayo.
we got our Duke's mayonnaise,
Gotta be Duke's. Seafood seasoning,
we have just like an Old Bay seasoning,
lemon juice,
got some lemon juice. I'll leave the recipe down in the show more.
a tablespoon of prepared mustard,
Prepared yellow mustard. You can use Dijon. You can use Dijon or whatever you would like.
spicy brown would be good.
I had some in there, but it wasn't quite enough. All right.
Woo woo.
All right. We have some Worcestershire sauce.
You already got the potatoes in there. You have a dry mustard,
And here's the dry mustard, and
some cheddar
we're
cheese.
gonna put some cheddar cheese in here. So you be the judge of that. I'm gonna just get about a handful.
Is that mild cheddar?
It's mild cheddar. You can use any type of cheese you would like. Cheddar does probably the best with this. I have my, now I got the recipe, basically the whole recipe off the can. I added some cheese to it, and I substituted the hash browns for the breadcrumbs. Other than that, just the recipe on the can. Most of the cans have recipes. It's looking pretty good. I think I'll add just a little more cheese. This cheese will help with the binding of it when it goes into the waffle iron.
What does binding mean?
It means it holds it together. Have our waffle iron preheated. Whoo! I'm just gonna get a little spray. We're using our dash. Man, I tell you what, it really don't stick. We're using a number,
Doesn't have a number.
I think it's a number 8. Oh, we're using a number 12 scoop. We're just going to put 1 in each. Alright, we're going to close it down and we're going to leave it for 5 minutes. These came out very good. Alright, tasting our hash brown crab cakes.
This is really good. All those ridges give you more of the crispy bits.
Crustier than what you would if you used bread.
It's really, really good.
We just throw a little tartar sauce together. We didn't have pimento, so Rebecca had some homemade roasted red peppers, so that's why it turned a little pink, but delicious. Good. You can sit here and eat all of them.
That is quite delicious. The flavors all blend together so well. And sorry for talking with my mouth full, but the crab meat, the crab flavor still comes through really well. And there at the end, I get a little mustard flavor and cheese.
Cheese, yeah. So, like I said, I used the recipe on the back of the can. You can't go wrong if they make, you know, they do their own crab meat. Normally, they test it out real good. Use your own recipe, but you can use your waffle iron, especially for people who make those that are, when you cook them, they just fall apart. That right there will hold it together, and you don't have to cook it for 5 minutes. You cook it as long as you like, because the meat's already done. Hope you enjoyed this. First time here, please subscribe. Ring that bell to get all of our notifications.
Give us some thumbs up. It helps move our videos up, and that gives us
just more views and everything else.
Share the video everywhere. Leave us a comment or two, and most important, y'all come back. Bye.
Man, these are good for football party pickups.